So, Niels, a lot of news has dropped regarding the 30th anniversary. Not to mention the Quinjet has finally landed in the Adventures campus. So exciting. Why don't we break down some of the highlights?
Yes, let's do that. Disneyland Park in Paris opened on April 12, 1992 as part of Euro Disney. And since its grand opening, the resort has hosted more than 375 million visits, making it Europe's most visited tourist attraction. It even has more visits than the Eiffel Tower.
It's cooler than the Eiffel Tower in my humble opinion.
It depends on who you ask, but I agree. Yeah. So over the past 30 years, Disneyland Paris has continued to develop and expand, of course, with the opening of its second gate on the 16th of March 2002. That being the controversial and hopefully to be much better in the future Walt Disney Studios Park.
Yeah.
The new daytime show Dream and Shine Brighter will open along with the 30th anniversary celebration on March 6th. 2022. By the way, more than 200 shows have been produced by the entertainment department since 1992. So that's
quite a bit.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So the expectations are high for this one as they have a lot of experience.
I mean, it is an outdoor daytime show, to be fair. They don't have like a whole theater, like Frontierland Theater or anything. So in terms of lighting and sets, I think they are a little bit limited.
They're limited. Yep.
I think with the castle in the background, it's going to look lovely. And it's all about that choreo, which we've been seeing previews. It's looking pretty fun. I think the song sounds pretty neat.
It's not overwhelming, but it's catchy, and I think it really fits a festivity.
Totally.
Like this. Yeah. But this new show will be performed daily, several times a day, as you said, right in front of the castle on Central Plaza. So it's at least a beautiful location, and weather should be good. Otherwise, it's maybe less magical, but I'm really looking forward to this show.
I love the costumes, these iridescent, hollow, plasticky type wear that the characters are wearing in the concept art and for the show. I think it's going to look really cool, especially if the sun's shining and it's going to be all reflective. Curious to see what it'll look like on cloudy days as well.
So this show will consist out of 3 themes that celebrate the power of laughter, passion and dreams. And the show will feature more than 30 Disney characters, dancers, colorful floats, as well as that new soundtrack that you already mentioned. And these characters will pass through Main Street, I believe, and then arrive on Central Plaza and do their show. So it's not announced as a parade or a cavalcade, but I guess it's a little bit like that because most of the cavalcades and parades that we saw recently had a show stop on Central Plaza. So
totally. So it's like an elegant way to get performers on and off the stage safely.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In addition, the genie from Aladdin, Princess Rapunzel, Jessie and Woody from Toy Story are also going to join in on the fun, and I think they also got new outfits, slightly changed, at least some of them, Jessie and Woody. Yeah, I'm excited to hear from the audiences if they really feel that they changed and see those little differences. The real fans will see it, but I'm not sure if all visitors are able to catch that. So
I mean, at the end of the day, this little it's probably gonna be like 20 minutes tops performance. It's gonna be some nice light entertainment to see, and considering all the decor that's gonna be around the park, it's just gonna add a little bit of extra ambiance and some fun to the 30th anniversary celebration. But it's also not going to be like completely groundbreaking like Mickey and the Magician was, or the Lion King Rhythm of the Pride Lances.
Yeah, but there's more than just a show in front of the castle and these nice new outfits. So there's also a drone pre-show announced to start with the 30th anniversary. Disney Illuminations, the nighttime spectacular at Disneyland Park and Disneyland Paris, will be receiving a major upgrade. The show originally premiered on the 26th of March in 2017 to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the park, and it replaced the previous show, Disney Dreams. So Disney D-Light, as it's called, will premiere along with the 30th anniversary celebrations on the 6th of March. And this new pre-show will combine video projections, illuminated water jets, lighting effects, mist. Of course, there will be Disney songs included, and these spectacular drones. So that's something really unique and something really exciting to look forward to, as we didn't see that before.
Yeah, I think this is the first Disney park to use drone technology as far as I'm aware. So that's very exciting.
Well, at least for a daily outdoor show.
Okay. I recall that Universal Studios in Orlando also used drone technology as part of their Harry Potter. What are those things called that they shoot from their wands, the animals?
Oh, no.
Can't remember.
I don't know.
Anyway, it was like a big stag that appeared in the sky. And what we saw them test so far in Bordeaux was the 30th anniversary logo that appeared in the sky, right? So that looked really cool.
That looked really cool. And I'm wondering if we will just get this 30th anniversary logo, or that it will be more, maybe characters that appear, a Mickey-shaped head or something like that. Yeah, that would be really nice. But yeah, for a limited time, and they don't say for how long, these 200 drones will perform choreography towards the end of the pre-show. So just in front of Disney Illuminations.
Yeah, I mean, I hope it'll be more than just the 30. However, I kind of think that it might just be that. Considering other shows that have utilized drone technology, it's usually only one motif that they construct, and then that's it.
Yeah, it's difficult to manage, and you don't want it to go wrong every time. So they better go for a safe option and make sure that it works every day so all people can see it. And this pre-show will probably be a short show. So if the drones are just in the end, it might end with the big 30 in the air. And then
that's the highlight.
Illumination starts.
I saw that they have RGB LEDs mounted to the drone. So the 30 might have some color variations to it, some sparkling effects or something like that. But I don't think we can expect anything too crazy to appear in the sky with those drones just yet. But hopefully in future shows that will be possible. Although I will be pleasantly surprised if they do manage to pull off more than one motif in this pre-show. We'll see, but I think you're right. I think they'll save it as like the big finale, like at the very end after a little bit of projection mapping, music and fountains. That'll be the wow moment. And I'm pretty sure you can also forget about the drones if it's going to be rainy or too windy.
And then they probably cut the drones.
There's going to be a B mode.
And we will hear this new theme song playing during the pre-show. And this soundtrack was recorded with a symphony orchestra at the Abbey Road Studios in London. So that's a nice fun fact. So quality-wise, it should be good.
Oh yeah, sounds so crisp.
Yeah, exactly. Well, and then we have the new Gardens of Wonder to premiere, also with the 30th anniversary on March fixed, but maybe a little bit earlier already, because this is just decorations in the park. So I don't think they will just plant it overnight. So a good chance if you visit in the week or weeks before, you can already spot something. So Disneyland Paris teams worked hard on installing a new horticulture installation in the Disneyland park called Gardens of Wonder. And it's comprised of 10 unique themes installed in front of Sleeping Beauty Castle, the gardens around the castle. And they will feature 30 new art pieces. So that's really cool. A bit like the 50 golden statues that Walt Disney World got for the 50th anniversary. So we get 30 art pieces for the 30th anniversary of Disneyland Park. I see some kind of theme there. One character for each of the years Disneyland Paris has been open to the public, comprised of kinetic Disney and Pixar mobiles, flowers, landscaping, and glow-in-the-dark effects. Each element celebrates nature, popular Disney and Pixar characters, and offers a new area for park goers to explore. The mobiles will be heavily stylized, so it may be a challenge for park goers to identify each and every character. Each of these pieces has been imagined by the landscaping and entertainment themes. Production and manufacturing has been handed over to a local craftsman whose know-how has contributed to the Disneyland park for many years already. So these pieces of art should be in good hands.
Oh yeah. I saw them install the base elements already around the park area. So they kind of look like big pimples at the moment or something. Bulbous and with red dots, which I'm guessing are supposed to symbolize some kind of flowers.
Yeah.
I think it'll make more sense in the context when the sculptures are installed.
Yeah, definitely.
More flowers, maybe.
Now it looks a bit weird.
Right now it's kind of strange, kind of odd, but it's going somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. Well, inspired by Salvador Dali, the 10 themes will be comprised of Disney and Pixar characters. Definitely expect to find princesses to villains. So something for everyone. Garden of Asia, for example, will include sculptures of Baymax from Big Hero 6, Mushu from Mulan, and Shishu. Maybe.
I have no idea, honestly.
I have no idea. I guess it's Chinese.
I need to rewatch Raya and the Dragon.
Yeah, I think it's Shishu. Or at least that sounds more Chinese to me than Shishu. Sorry, Chinese people.
Apologies.
Please leave us a message how you pronounce it. So the 3D modeling and handmade construction of these 30 art pieces were carried out in collaboration with 3 French companies based in the Ile-de-France region. Engineers, technicians, and painters collaborated with Yves Ollier, and the set designer and manager at Disneyland Paris. And today we're recording on the 9th of February. DLP announced something even more exciting in my opinion.
Oh yeah.
And that is that we get back 2 restaurants for the 30th anniversary. So, well, not really new, but at least we're getting back these beauties. And those are Total Restaurant, the fish and chips fast food restaurant in the back of Fantasyland.
Yay.
And Walt's, an American restaurant in Main Street, USA. Yeah, I hear some more excitement.
Oh my gosh. I couldn't believe it. Really cool. It felt like that place was never going to reopen.
No.
So excited.
I was really expecting this to reopen like a Club 33 or something unique for special events, but not for the main public. So
so exciting. Reservations are not live as of the recording yet.
No.
You know I'm checking the app every day.
And we don't know the menu yet. Yeah. No, we don't know nothing. The only thing announced was that there's a special 30th anniversary menu, but I think most people don't recall the previous menu. So that's fine. It's years ago. But I'm really happy that they open up this beautiful place full of nice art, old pictures, and it looks really stylish with its multiple rooms all themed after the different lands in Disneyland Park. So this is a true piece of Disney history to embrace while having classy dinner. So
most definitely,
let's bring it back.
It's so gorgeous. The themed rooms, the concept art that you can't see anywhere else. It's a combination of a immersive museum and dining experience. Yeah. It's so gorgeous, and you're right there on Main Street, which is really, really cool.
Yeah.
Also, Toad Hall is going to get some vegetarian options, which is nice. There's going to be a 2 fish menu. That's something for my husband, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, and not to confuse with the 2 fish and chips option, as they had, let's say, a single fish with chips previously, and they also had, for the people that were a bit more hungry, they had 2 pieces of fish with chips.
Yeah, just be sure to say vegetarian when you're ordering
this.
Is
the vegetarian version, Otherwise you get 2 pieces of fish.
So we know a little bit already. I feel like a little bit more might trickle out over the coming weeks before the premiere of the 30th anniversary, and maybe even 1 or 2 little surprises, but nothing too big. I guess the biggest thing will be the opening of the Adventures Campus, and they'll kind of fuse that together
into the 30th anniversary. But that will only open somewhere summer this year, so not on the 6th of March. And of course, we will have lots of merchandise, snacks, special menus in the restaurants, so that will be nice to explore.
And remember, you guys, summer in Disney language can mean till the end of September, so it's quite a bit of range there, a little bit of flexibility for them to test the new attractions and finalize the land.
And I think they're probably already thinking about how they will open the Adventures Campus. Do you need a reservation to get in, or will we have like 4 or 5 hour wait times to get in the land? And where do you leave all these people in the small studios? I'm wondering how they're going to do this opening.
Yeah, same. I don't know. At least it's kind of like in a sealed off area, so they can control the crowds pretty easily if they need to. However, they might just go the open it up and see what happens route.
Run.
So we'll see.
And then people are already stuck in the front lot, Studio One, standing in line for Adventures Campus. Blocking the whole park.
It's possible. Hello, everyone. If you want even more theme parks, especially Disneyland Paris in your life, check out our other videos, podcast, and website for more. Thanks, and have a great day.